memorable, including myself. It is the area called Kahaluu that always remains home. It's where our family stories are. It's where we know the river was so very present in our daily life. When we first moved to Kahaluu, I was 9 years old. We had moved from Haiku Road in Kaneohe. Youngest of 9 children, not too much money. We always lived at the end of the road because we were very loud. And when Haiku Road got to be a little populated, well, Kahaluu was the next stop. And when I saw that old house, it had nothing to do with the structure, but where it was next to that river. Kahaluu in those days, the river was clean and thriving. You could just go outside, throw your hook into the water and catch yourself some lunch. Some nights you would hear splashing in the river and you go outside and shine the light and there would be whole schools of Ahole Hole or Papio coming up the river. Kahaluu is very different from the one that I grew up in. But I wrote this song for my family as a way of reminding us about our stories, our places in life, and how much we love our roots. I remember days we used to paddle in mountain stream, round the world our hills would ride on the horse. So long ago it seems it was a dream. Can you help me sing? Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But a fear